Hello everyone, this is Jenkins from Ava Artistry Studio. Happy painting. Tonight I want to do another piece, but I'm going to redo a piece that didn't come out well. I've been deciding to keep it and not keep it, and I also varnish it. I give it like 2 layers of varnish, and still my other like heart say no, get rid of it. So I'm going to show you it. I'm going to redo it. I know you might like it, you might not like it, but probably, let me tell you what may have caused. I got the silicone oil from Amazon, and what? Okay, my little daughter took my hat, my baseball hat. So like I was saying, yeah, bye. I got this silicone oil called from Nick Pro from Amazon, and I decided to use it. So it's like that. I hope you can see it, but like this. This is from Purple. Hey, you wanna say hi? Say hi. You wanna say hi? Say hi. Look at the camera. Say hi.
Look! Pinky one. Look!
Give me this. You don't have to.
I purple. It can go quiet.
Yes. So sorry for that. So like I was saying.
Violet, how good violet.
Yeah, go play.
Look!
Go play. Right?
Violet, deep.
Yeah. So I
where?
used it in the paint and I didn't get the result that I anticipated. Here's the painting. For me, I don't like it. I'm not sure if you can see it from here, but if you can see, it has some muddy stuff here, and the cells. I can see in the cell, like I see a little bit of cells here, but it's like, oh my God, it's not. It's nothing like what I anticipated, or what I expected. And so I'm gonna redo this one tonight. Okay, so that's the mission. So I'll walk you through the process. Thank you. Excuse me. No, let's go.
Pinky man.